Hi everybody, it's Marcy and welcome to my crafty corner. I'm so excited. Cara Brandon and Dear Julie are doing another collaboration. This time we're doing the 7 days of summer. So I'm going to be one of the elves participating in this, and I wanted to show you the wonderful kits that they have come up with. I will link Cara Brandon and Dear Julie's Etsy shops below. Be sure to go pick up your kits and play along with us. We will be doing this for 7 days, beginning May 27th and running through June 2nd. So, for each day of the collaboration, we will be using one page from Dear Julie's kit. For example, this is Dear Julie's Day 1 page. So we've got lots of watermelon images, some dictionary page. So we can cut these out and make whatever we want, but we need to use it in conjunction with Cara Brandon's Day 1. You can see, so the whole theme of Day 1 is going to be watermelons. And on Day 2, we have Dear Julie, and it looks like we've got some strawberries going on here. And for Day 2, Cara Brandon has this wonderful strawberry collage page. Everything's strawberry. She does an amazing job with her collage pages. So Day 3, here's what we have for Julie. And we've got, looks like some raspberries and cantaloupe. Some pears, all sorts of mixed fruits. Looks like we have sort of pink and orangey yellow going on there. So that's going to be wonderful. And that goes with Cara Brandon's Day 3, where we have yellow and pink. Aren't these wonderful? Day 4. For Julie, we've got lemons. So we've got another dictionary page, all sorts of postcards, all sorts of wonderful images to cut out. And like I said, use however you wish. Here's Cara's Day 4. So lemons are definitely the theme for Day 4. I'll need to drink a glass of lemonade on the day I'm working on this. So here's Julie's Day 5. And we've got, again, we've got watermelons, but we've got some mixed fruits. We've got some blackberries and strawberries and cherries and apples. Strawberries and pears, pears and grapes, a basket of strawberries. That looks like a large watermelon rind for a tag or something. And here's Cara's Day 5. Again, a mixture of the fruits, where we've got the watermelons and the lemon and the strawberries. And Day 6 for Dear Julie. And Day 6 for Cara. We've got some more strawberries going on. Strawberries really are a good summery fruit. And Day 7, excuse me, I'm trying to get a frog in my throat. Not trying to, I got one. So these are Dear Julie's Day 7 images. And Cara Brandon's Day 7 images. So here she's given us lots of words and just all sorts of wonderful images to work with. So as I said, run over to their Etsy shops, grab your kits, come and play with us for 7 days. This will be, it will begin over Memorial Day weekend, and it's a great way to kick off summer and get us going. So run over, grab your kits, join us, and don't forget to watch on Day 1, which is May 27th. And on each video, I'm going to have the links to the other, we call ourselves elves, that are participating in this collaboration. Their channels will be linked below each video, so you can go and watch one after the other, because it is absolutely amazing to see how we can all start with the exact same items and come up with such different ideas of what to do with them, with our different styles and everything. It's absolutely fabulous. So until next time, everyone, please be safe, stay healthy, happy crafting, and I will talk to you soon. Bye-bye.